Kuringana na nyitite miaya gicunji kinene kia aikari kuma Buri na kaunti iria iriganitie no mekore hatikaine miaka yukite agikorwo githomo ni gikwaga gwikirirwo bata na njira iria yagiriire.
Kufuatilia research ambayo tulifanya miaka 2 iliyopita, tuliweza kuona ya kwamba 44% ya ile population ambayo tuko nayo kati ya Lewa, Meru, Isiolo na Laikipia, zile communities ambazo tunafanya nazo kazi, 44% ya hiyo population ni vijana wa chini ya miaka 18. Na hiyo ni kumaanisha 44% ya population yetu ni watoto ambao wanafaa kuwa primary ama secondary schools.
Wanyitite miaya ni moriti aciari na arũgamĩrĩri mathukuru gutigirira ni manyita itemi na njira iria yagiriire mwena-ini wa githomo niguo gutigirira githomo ni kiagacira, kuonao ni merutĩire kuruta indo cia miako na cia kuhotithia mathomo ma kĩrĩu mathukuru-ini.
Tunajaribu kwa njia ambayo inayowezekana yote ili walimu wetu waweze kufunza katika madarasa, na sio kufunza tu, waweze kupeana mafunzo mazuri ili watoto waweze kupata lessons ya program zao vizuri, walimu waweze kuattend madarasa na watoto pia waweze kuattend madarasa.
Ndeto eno yukite thutha wa kuoneka gicigo giki ni gikoretwo gigicoka na thutha kimathomo wari kumana na mutugo wa arutwo gutira ni undu wa itumi ngurani ta wagi wa fithi.
We are going to categorize our learners in the classroom according to ability, and finally we will make sure that our academic performance have a good normal curve that will show that every child have really improved. So through the training that we had for the 2 days, it has really empowered us on how we can be able to do a strategic plan for the school, so that the school can keep on developing very well, and at the same time teachers can feel they're in a very good conducive environment.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo William Wainaina.